Good morning, students. This is the topic from your previous lecture. Rolle's law as a special case of Henry law. As you can see, according to Rolle's law, pressure is equal to mole fraction of that component into partial pressure of that component in the pure state. So this is in accordance with the Rolle's law, and in Rolle's law we use mainly volatile components. And for the same Henry law, according to Henry law, PA is equal to KH XA. This is given that pressure of any particular component will be equal to the mole fraction of that component into some constant. They both are saying that pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction, but the difference in both of these is about this. Here the difference is of P naught and KH. Here we use pressure in pure state, and in Henry's law we used Henry's constant. So in Henry's law, actually in Rolle's law we use liquid as a solute, and in Henry law we use gas as a solute. So this is all similarities and dissimilarities you can see. They both apply to volatile component, and vapor pressure of any component is proportional to mole fraction. This is similarities, and dissimilarity is only that in Rolle's law we use P naught and in Henry's law we use KH. So this is the difference. Next topic is ideal and non-ideal solution. Ideal solutions are those solutions which obey Rolle's law at all conditions, and non-ideal solutions are those which do not obey Rolle's law. So here ideal solution which obey Rolle's law, non-ideal solution which do not obey Rolle's law. There are two conditions you can see. When delta V mixing is equal to 0, delta H mixing is equal to 0. This is for ideal solutions, that when mixing A and B there is no volume change, and when there A and B are mixing then there is no heat change. If there is no heat change and there is no volume change, then the solution is said to be ideal solution. If there is a change in volume and change in enthalpy, then it is known as non-ideal solution. And ideal solution, second definition of ideal solution is given that the solution in which delta V mixing is 0, there is no change in volume and no enthalpy change. That solution is known as ideal solution. Third definition of ideal solution is that if the interaction between the AB are same as the interaction between AA and BB. If the interactions between AB and AA and BB are same, then this is known as ideal solution. And the definition of non-ideal solution is if the interaction between AB are different from interaction between AA and BB, then this solution is known as non-ideal solution. Example of ideal solution is benzene plus toluene, and example of non-ideal solutions are, you can see, acetone plus carbon disulfide, methyl alcohol plus water, and there are a lot of examples ahead. So definitions we studied. Types of non-ideal solutions. There are two types of non-ideal solution. Firstly, which show positive deviation, and secondly, which show negative deviation. Now, what do you mean by positive and negative deviation? Positive deviation means, as we think according to Rolle's law, vapor pressure goes in that according to this curve. But we are talking about positive deviation and negative deviation. So positive deviation means, according to Rolle's law, as the equations follow this path, ideal solution will follow this path, but when the solutions follow or goes upwards, or sometimes they goes downward, it means if the vapor pressure increases, we assume or we presume or we think that the vapor pressure will be in accordance with this curve, but sometimes this will not follow. When the vapor pressure increases, then that is known as positive deviation, and when the vapor pressure of the total solution decreases, then it is known as negative deviation. So here we are discussing about positive deviations, solutions which show positive deviation. You can see actually the curve is curve goes like this, but we think that it must go in this way, but that goes in another way. So this is known as positive deviation. Deviation means not following the path. So here one thing more, if the vapor pressure is high, it means boiling point is low. If the vapor pressure of any component is high, it means vapors are already there. It means we have to apply less temperature. It means we have to apply less boiling point. It means boiling point is less of that particular solution. And now, when the vapor pressure is high, boiling point is low. So there is a term azeotrope. Azeotropes. These are the solutions which boil at constant temperature, and whose composition cannot vary. It means composition remains unchanged. So these are called azeotropes. Azeotropes are the solutions who boil at particular or constant temperature and whose composition remains unchanged. So these are known as azeotropes or azeotropic mixtures. And in positive deviations, in case of positive deviations, these azeotropes are called minimum boiling azeotropes. Because in positive deviation vapor pressure is high and boiling point is low. So in this case minimum boiling azeotropes are formed. So you can see here, to sum up, PA must be always greater than XA P naught A, and PB is always greater than P naught B XB. So these are greater than. In Rolle's law these are equal, but for positive deviation these are greater than. And delta H mixing is positive, delta V mixing is positive. Examples you can learn from here: ethyl alcohol plus water, etc. And here one thing is left, that AB, interaction between AB is always lower than the interaction between AA and BB. As we studied earlier, that for ideal solutions interaction between AB are similar to AA and BB, and for non-ideal solution interaction between AB is not equal to interaction between AA and BB. So you can clearly see for positive deviations interaction between AB are less than the interaction between AA and BB. For solutions showing negative deviation, you can say the graph is lower. It means vapor pressure is low. As vapor pressure is low, it means boiling point is high. So the azeotropes formed are here is known as maximum boiling azeotrope. And also the interaction between AB, here interaction between AB is always higher than interaction between AA and BB. And to sum up, you can clearly see PA is less than XA P naught A, PB is less than XB P naught B, P total is less than both of them, and delta H mixing is negative, delta V mixing is negative. So for positive deviation these are positive, for negative deviation these are negative, and for ideal solution these are equal to 0. So examples are chloroform plus benzene, acetone plus aniline. So these are the examples. This is the difference given. We already studied this. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the topic of azeotropes. So thank you.